this video we will see how to solve all the centers of this 4x4 cube, all the centers. So we are able to solve the white center, yellow center is also done, and we have made 3 edges of this white side. 3 edges are done. Now the next step is to solve all the centers of this cube. So to solve this, again first we need to know the color pattern of this 4x4 Rubik's cube. So the color pattern means which color will come on what side. So if this is white, this is yellow, then on this layer we'll start with blue. So it should be blue, then orange, it should be blue here, then it should be orange, then yellow, and then red. So this pattern we will follow. So blue, orange, yellow, and red. Okay. Now we will try to solve all the layers, these centers in this layer on this side, on this layer, because if I try to move any other layer, these edge pieces will get unsolved. So that is why we have not made all the 4 edges, only 3 edges we have made. The 4th one is we have deliberately not solved it so that we can use it to solve the centers. Now we'll start with blue. So take this blue at this space in this layer, because we will be using this space for doing the movements. So there are 2 blue. Now see, where are the other 2 blue colors? It's not here, it's one is here and one is here. So one way is to see, we cannot move this layer. So always bring this layer which you want to move on top. On top means in this layer which we can move. So take it to right side like this and then bring it on the blue layer. Again bring the blue layer always in this layer, in this side where you don't have any solved edges. Now I want the 4th blue piece. This is 4th blue piece. We want to bring this 4th blue piece here. So again if you want to do any of the movements, you need to bring that layer at this place. Otherwise, if I try to move this layer only like this, then this white edge piece will get unsolved. So if I want to solve any of the layer or do any of the movement, then I'll do it in this layer itself. So again, if I want to move this layer, then first I will bring it in this part, then take it to right side like this, or left side like this, then again come back, bring this together, and again move it back, because we want to move this and make it a vertical bar. So all the centers will be solved similarly as we solved the white and yellow centers. The only thing you need to remember is these edges should not get mixed. So now this is a bar and this is a bar of blue. So how to solve it? Take it on top, move it to the other side and bring it back. And always see all the other sides are not mixed. This white is not mixed, yellow is not mixed, and the blue is done. Now the next is, this side should be orange. So I'll try to bring the orange pieces here. So by chance all the orange pieces are done here, but I want these all 4 orange pieces here. So to solve a center, the step will always be same. So how to bring these 2 pieces here? We can bring one piece here, take it to the left side, take it back, so that the cube is back to its original position. And 2 orange are in this layer now. Now I want to bring the other part also. So how to bring it? Bring it on bottom. You can do it from this side also. If it looks comfortable, you can do it from this side also. So I can move it like this, bring it to the left side and bring it back. So blue is done, orange is done. Now the next is green. So next is green. One green bar is done. Now I want to make the other green bar. So for this, so it was like this. I'm trying to make the other green bar. I'll take this back and see, the bar is done. Now I can again move this. Always remember, whatever move you do, this edge piece should not get unsolved. So this is a bar. I've made this bar. Take it to this side. And now once again they both are below each other. One is here, one is here. So I can very easily bring it together. We can solve it like this. Take it on top, bring it to left, bring it back. Now see, blue is done. So one piece is remaining. It got unsolved. We'll solve it again. So the only thing you need to remember is the bar is made or not. So the bar is made or not, and then see this, all the centers are done now.